second time they took down my mailbox.
Rightfully so, right? They should.
They should pay for it.
Excuse me.
Just getting up. It's Thursday, January 4th. Supposed to be a lot of snow on the ground today. Not looking forward to this. I'm a beach guy. I'd rather be out on a boat. Hey Siri, what's the weather?
It's currently snowing and 21 degrees in East Hedham. Expect cloudy skies starting tonight. Today's high will be 26 degrees, and the low will be 19.
No egg sandwiches complete without ketchup. What's up, guys? How you doing? It's been quite a while since I've done a video. I've been pretty busy. Been really into photography lately. I've been doing a lot of stills. I got myself a new zoom lens, and I've been really into wildlife. Check out some of these pictures. These eagles, ducks. I'll even throw a couple landscapes in here. Yes, those are eagles. Those big birds that don't have a white head and don't have a white tail are immature or juvenile bald eagles. Stat of the day, did you know that it takes a bald eagle 4 years to get a white head and a white tail? All right, let's go outside and check out this snowstorm. Oh boy, not really what I was looking for. I was out here this morning and I already shoveled this walkway one time. Probably an hour ago. We've got a good 2 inches of snow. I think we're getting about 2 inches of snow per hour right now. This is what it's looking like out here. What a disaster. You guys remember this beast, right? From that earlier vlog when I was going up to film the golf course and then going to Maine? This thing's killer in the snow. Shoveling.
I'll do that later.
All right, time to go back inside and warm up. Hang on a second, I forgot to see how much snow we have. Let's go check this out. Okay, here we go. Nice clean spot. All right, what are we looking at? 10, oh, 9.5 inches right now. So I think the news definitely got this forecast right. They're saying that there is
blizzard conditions in portions of Connecticut.
They're saying that there's going to be
6 to 12 for northwest, southwest Connecticut, 8 to 14.
The peak of the storm started
Around 8 this morning, lasting until 2, 3 o'clock.
The conditions are
so poor.
The visibility
is so poor. So right
Route 9 northbound is
shut down in Haddam, right between exits 9 to 10. This is a one-car spin out that took.
It's 2 o'clock. Josh told me he would be here at 2:30. I'm just packing up, getting my lunch ready. Actually, it's my dinner. Getting dressed up. Just catching up on a last little bit of Casey Neistat before I go. I'll see you out there in a snowstorm. Made it to the shop. The roads aren't that bad if you got 4-wheel drive. You can definitely travel out there. Let's check in with Chris, see what he's got going on. What are you doing?
Already vlogging, huh? Why don't you go vlog my cattle, boy? I got big skies around here, kiddo.
They growing?
Community's most important members are kids. The Education Express program was created to help them.
Brandon hooking it up. Got everybody some grinders. Let's see what Team Mexico has to say. ¿Qué pasa, amigos? Nada. Mucho snow, no, pero no. ¿Qué pasa, man?
No, man. Dame tu culo.
That's nice, huh?
How many chips? How many chips do you take?
I got 2, 1 sandwich, and 5 gators.
You dumb! Hey, look out!
Did he just push over his mailbox?
Oh, he does have big soldiers.
This is the kind of stuff that we deal with when we're at work. Anyway, it's 3:03, first snowstorm of the year. We're gonna go out and do some plowing right now. Geronimo, feliz cumple, no, feliz nuevo año.
Feliz año nuevo.
Feliz año nuevo. All right, the same.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year.
This is Josh's lunch today. I mean, he's got 2 bars. What else?
A shake and a sandwich.
A shake. It's his lunch. I mean, my
That's gonna
grinder
last
is
you through the
bigger than that. This is our territory for the next 10 hours. We're taking a guess.
You think 10? We're not like, we're gonna do Taylor's roof tomorrow. You know, we're not gonna. Probably have to come.
Josh thinks we'll be done in 8 hours. This is a snow moving machine. Is it gonna start?
Hell yeah, it's gonna start, man.
Oh. Let me give you a little quick tip of advice. If you want your driveway proud, you gotta put out plow stakes, okay? If we don't do it, you're gonna have to do it. Otherwise, you're gonna be plowing your grass, okay? Para the video o no?
No.
¿Cuántos pulgadas, tu pito?
No,
Mucho, huh?
nada. 28.
Oh, baby. Okay, we just got a tip from one of our clients. In Spanish, tip is called propina. ¿Cuántos dólares tú piensas?
No sé, maybe
¿Cuántos?
$20.
Mira. 40. Te doy un Gatorade para mí, ¿eh? ¿Tú? No, it's okay. ¿Qué pasa? Let's talk about what we have in the back of the truck real quick. We got these bomb lights that Keith set up for us. We carry shovels. Gotta have sand just in case we get stuck. Diesel fuel. Diesel is a necessity for, you know, the Bobcats, the trucks. We're running a gas truck, but just in case. And that's about it. The current time is 8:50 p.m. We're still going strong. ¿Cansado, amigos?
No.
¿No cansado?
No.
Giro, cansado?
Baby, no.
¿Qué pasa tonight? Coge tonight,
No,
no?
poquito.
Pretty sure we're done. Josh?
Yeah, done and not puking.
Josh was deathly sick on the Bobcat this afternoon. I saw him puke. I don't think I got it on video, but wasn't feeling good. Cansado? Oh!
Nada.
Look at his sunglasses.
I know he was wearing dark sunglasses, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was.
Tu famoso, eh?
Cálmate, pinche pájaro. Todos lastimando mi vista.
This guy.
You gotta go sanding early morning.
Did you finish?
No. Of course not.
Hollywood.
Yeah, I finished.
What happened to your mailbox?
I'm calling the state. I'm gonna get them to pay for it. This is the second time they took down my mailbox.
Rightfully so, right? They should.
They should pay for it.
Excuse me.
Great, no. But in all seriousness,
Chimino, bien día.
Sí.
Finish or no?
needs to be sanded 4/7.
10:23. One drive I left to plow, and it's mine. Alright everybody, Max Novak right here. He's out working. Max, tell everybody what you got for Christmas.
A drone.
You got a drone?
And I thought I was saving up for it.
And you
I already had like $500 for it.
So the kid worked this summer, saved up for a drone, got a drone for Christmas.
And now I'm saving up for a battery.
Now he's out working and saving up for a battery. 10 years old right here, out hustling.
Yeah. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and leave a comment down below where Frankie should go next with his drone.
There you go. I love it. All right, man. Awesome, dude. Thanks, buddy.
Bye.
Later.